Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Patterns in Mathematics of class 6th. This is the fourth part of this particular chapter. All the previous parts are already there in the playlist. You guys can go and check it out the playlist. Okay, I have explained each and everything in the easiest manner possible over there. So please watch all the parts. If you like my video, please like and share. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Now let's move to the next topic. What's the topic? That is patterns in shape. Now we are talking about the shape in this particular part. These shapes can be of 1D, 2D and of 3D. Okay, there can be many patterns which can be more than 3D. Okay, but in this particular chapter we will talk about only the 2D or 3D patterns. Okay, the branch of mathematics that study patterns in shapes, that is known as geometry. In the previous chapters, or we can say once we will move forward, okay, we will able to understand more patterns, okay, of geometries. So okay, these are the 2D or the 3D patterns. Means if we will draw a square like this, okay, so we can say it is a 2D pattern. But if I will draw a pattern like this, so it is known as 3D pattern. It is known as 3D pattern. Okay, all these types of figures we will study in this particular part. Now we will talk about example of some shapes and sequences. First one is regular polygon. What is a polygon? That is an enclosed figure. Regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon means a polygon possesses equal sides and equal angles. Okay, means equal sides should be there and equal angles should be there. Okay, that is known as regular polygon. That is known as regular polygon. Now let's check it out over here. You guys can check it out. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides are there in this particular triangles. And if you will talk about side, there are, okay, angles. If you will talk about, there are 3 angles. This one and this one. 3 angles are there. That's why it is known as a regular polygon. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are there. You guys check it out. In all these are 5. Okay, over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay, sides are there. In this 6 hexagon, it is 6. Okay, hectagon it is 7, octagon 8, nanogon 9 and decagon is 10. Okay, you guys can check it out. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 angles are also there in this decagon. Okay, so like this we can do it. Okay, what is a complete graph? Complete graphs means whenever we will join 2 points, okay, or 3 points or 4 points all together, that is known as a complete graph. Let's say if we will make a triangle, 3 points. So if I will draw like this, so we will make a triangle, that is known as a complete graph. If I will take any point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we made a pentagon. Now what we have to do, we have to join all the points together. First one, second one, first one, second one, first one, and the second one is already there. First one, second one, and like this we have joined the point, and this is K5. Okay, over here there are 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are there. We will join all the points, okay, together. That is known as a complete graph. That is known as a complete graph. Now we will talk about a stacked square. What a stacked square means, we will take a square to make another square. We will join these square to make another square. Okay, so that is known as stacked squares. I have taken one square. Now we will use these squares to make a big square, means another square. 1, it is not a square, so I will put like this, 2 and 3. Now if I will add 3 squares in one, we will able to add one complete big square. Now if I will add this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. Okay, now this is known as a complete square. Okay, so we will use the squares to make the figure bigger, but we will make in the form of, or the figure should be of square only. Okay, that is known as a stacked square. Stacked triangles, we will use small triangles to make a big triangle. Okay, and we will put in a manner that we can make a big triangle. That is known as a stacked triangle. Means let's say like this, we have made one. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to join the points like 1 2 3 like this, okay, 4 5 6 like this, okay, like this. We made a triangle. We use 1 2 3 4 triangles to make a one big triangle. Like this we can move further, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now we can join it like this. Like this you can join, like this we can join, okay. So you will see that there is a big triangle over here. Okay, so we will join the small triangles to make up one big triangle, that is known as stacked triangles. Okay, now let's talk about kuch snowflakes. Okay, kuch snowflakes is where we will convert the lines, these lines, into bumps. Okay, like this. Okay, like this we will convert these lines. Now let's check it out, that over here 1 2 3 lines are there, but over here 1 2, okay, and 3 lines are over here. Just a second, 1 2 and 3 lines are over here, but all the 3 lines have been converted into bumps like this. Okay, so like this we can make, means we can make like this, 1 2, okay, and now 3. Okay, like this is the figure. So it has been converted into a bump. Now let's check it out over here. Now all the 3 means these lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, all the 12 lines has been converted into bumps. Let's check it out over here. You guys can check it out that these are the lines, this one, okay, and this one is the part of this, this one is the part of this, this one is the part of this, this one is the part of this. Okay, but each line has been converted into bump. So you will check it out by this, that the figures has been converted, means one line is converted into how many lines? 1 2 1 2 3 4. One line is converted into 4 lines. Okay, so 3 multiplied by how many lines are there in this? So we will say 1 2 3 3 into 4, 12 lines are there. Now let's check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now 12 into 4 is 4 to 8 and 4 1 4, 48. Means if you will count this bigger figure, in this figure you will get 48 lines, and these 48 lines will further convert into 4 8 32, 4 with 16 17 18 19, 192 lines. Means over here you will get around 192 lines. Okay, so these are the types of figures, okay, and these are the things which we have converted in this particular manner. Okay, so if we are talking about the snowflakes, you have to count the numbers like this, okay, that each line has been converted into 4 lines. So whatsoever lines you will get, the next figure you can multiply, you can say this much lines has been used, okay, or I will use to make the next figure. Okay, now let's do the question, that is figure it out. Can you recognize the pattern in each of the sequence in the table 3? Means I have already explained you, all these are figures. Okay, what are these figures? Means these are regular polygons, these are complete graphs. I have told you how you have to make, okay, stacked squares, stacked triangles, and snowflakes. Okay, all these are, okay, so definitely we can do that. Now try and redraw each sequence in table number 3 in your notebook. Can you draw the next shape in the sequence? Yes, definitely we can do that. Why or why not? After each sequence, describe it in your own words. Means what sort of rule or pattern that is used to form that particular sequence. Over here, the first pattern, we will get a regular polygon. Over here, I have told you what number of sides and number of angles should be equal. So over here we are using 3 sides, 4 side, 5 side, 6 sides, 7 8 9 10. Means what we are getting counting numbers. We are getting counting numbers over here, okay, or we can say sequence, number sequence. So after 10, 11 sides should be there. So we will get a 11 side polygon, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so these are the, and over here if you will check it out, the angles are also 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 angles are also there. So it is a regular polygon because the sides and the angles both are equal. Okay, now the next one is now complete graph. Over here we are using two lines, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots. Now we have to use the 7 dots, so we will use the 7 dots. I can make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can join first of all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now what we have to do, we have to join all the points 1 2 3 4. Now the second one 1 2 3 4. Now the third one it is already there, so we will do from here 1 2 and 3. Okay, now it has been done. Now this one, okay, over here this one is done, this one is done, this one, okay, over here this one is done, this one is done, this one is done, this one is done. Means like this we will make a complete graph. Okay, over here 7 dots are there. Like this we will continue, we will move to 8 1 9 10, okay, and so on. Now what is a stock squares? We will use the small squares, the number of small square to make a big squares. So over here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 means 25. Okay, let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Okay, so now what we will get, these are the square numbers, we got it. Okay, sorry, these are 4, square of 4, square of 3, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5. Now we will do square of 6 is the 36. So we will use 36 small squares to make a one big square. How we will do? 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we can make these, now we can draw these lines and we will get 36 squares. You can check it out. Okay, in the first video I have already told you, in the first part of this particular video, of this particular chapter, I have explained you how you have to make these squares. So now you can count all the squares which I have made, that is 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. Okay, so 36, it is a square of 6. Okay, so like this we have to make a next one. We will move to 7, means 7 square. So total we have to make 49 small square to make one big squares. Okay, or we can say stalks of squares. Now let's move to the stacked triangles. What are stacked triangles? Over here we will use a small triangles to make a stack of triangles. Okay, or a big triangle. Over here you guys can check it out. Over here is one triangle, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now in this one 9 triangle has been used, so we will count the last line: 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Means over here you guys can check it out that the square numbers what we are getting, we are getting the square numbers over here. So the next square number is after 25 is 6 6 are 36, means 36. Means we will use 36 small triangles to make one big stack of triangles. So let's make it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Just a second, like this. Now let's make the triangle 1 2 4 like this. You can join like this, again like this. You can join the lines like this to make a triangle, or you can first of all make a big triangle like this, then join these lines like this. Okay, now let's count the triangle. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 and 36. Altogether I have used 36 triangles, small triangles, to make one stack of triangles. Okay, like this you have to make the triangles. Okay, over here you guys can check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 small triangles. Over from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 lines are over here. It means 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Okay, so like this you can make the numbers, or you can count the numbers. Okay, how you have to make the triangles. Okay, so this is the way you have to make a stack of triangles. Now the next triangle, if we will talk about, that is 7 7s are 49. Okay, then 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. These are the next stacks of triangles. Okay, that's what we have to make. Okay, now let's talk about snowflakes. Snowflakes, I have told you that over here 1 2 3 lines, 3. Over here one line has been converted to 4 lines. So we will get 3 multiplied by 4. So 3 4 is 12, means altogether 4 lines are over here. If I will check it out, 12 multiplied by 4, 4 to 8 and 4 1 4, 48 lines are over here. 48 multiplied by 4, we will get 4 8 is 32, 4 is 16, 17 18 19. Okay, so 192 lines are over here. So like this is carrying forward, means if I will talk about this one over here, 192 multiplied by 4, altogether these much lines, 4 to 8, 4 9 is 36, 4 into 4 5 6 7, means 768 lines are over here. And if we will talk about the next one, this one, okay, so 768 multiplied by 4, that much lines has been used to draw these snowflakes. Okay, so these are the number of patterns. You don't have to draw, you can write it down the numbers, that this much of lines we can use to draw the next snowflakes. Okay, because making that particular figure, that is very typical, so you have to just find out the sequence. Okay, and then you have to multiply. Okay, then you can write it down that the next figure, whatsoever figure we will get, that is 768 multiplied by 4. Okay, this much lines has been used to make the next snowflakes. You can write it down like this. Okay, now let's move to the next topics, that relations to the number sequence. Number sequence are absolutely same as the patterns which we are using, that is a regular polygon, okay, of the figures. Over there the counting numbers will be there. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is known as the number sequence. Okay, like we are having pentagon, hexagon, hectagon, octagon, nanogon, decagon, like this. Okay, means 3 4 5 6 triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, like this. Okay, so we will get the same sequence 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is known as the counting numbers. Now let's move to the figure it out, that is the question number 1. Count the number of sides in each shape in the square of a regular polygon, which is given over here. I made the figure. Which number sequence do we get? I've already told you, in this sequence we get the counting numbers, that is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What would be the number of corners in each shape in the sequence of a regular polygon? So number of corners, if we will talk about, the numbers of corners are as same as the number of sides. So 1 2 3, each corners 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So that's why it is known as a regular polygons. Okay, the numbers of corners are same as the number of sides. Do we get the same number of sequence? Yes. Can you explain why this happens? In the regular polygon, you can write it down. First of all, you can do we get the same number of sequence? You can write it down. Yes. Can you explain why this happened? Yes, because in regular polygon, the number of corners are same as number of sides. Okay, both are number of sides and the numbers of corners are absolutely same. So in the regular polygon, this is the quality of the regular polygon, so you can easily write it down this one. Now let's move to the next question. Count the numbers of lines in each shape in the sequence of counting graphs. Means we have to count the number of lines. Now which number sequence do we get? Number 1, we will get one line, 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, this one 4 and 5. Now let's talk about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now if we will talk about this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, okay, and 15, we will get the 15. Okay, and you check it out, what sort of sequence do we get? These are the triangular numbers. These are the triangular numbers. So which number sequence we will get? We can say we will get triangular numbers. Okay, because by using these numbers we can easily make a triangles. Can you explain why? Because you can write it down, because by using these numbers we can make a triangle. Okay, how? Let's check it out. 1 2 3, again 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, these are 10 lines are over here. 7 8 9 10. Okay, now 15 11 12 13 14 and 15, like this, and we can easily make a triangle. You can check it out. Okay, like this we can make a triangle. So we will get our triangular numbers by finding out these lines or counting out the lines. Now let's move to the next part. How many little squares are there in each shape of the sequence of stacked squares? Which number of sequence does this give? Can you explain why? What sort of sequence we are getting? Over here, 1 square is used, 1 2 3 4, 1 4 is used, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We can check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 squares are there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 is 9. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 16, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we will get the square numbers. What we will get? We will get the square numbers. Okay, because by using these numbers or the small square we can make a big squares. Okay, so that's why we what we get? We got the squares numbers. Which number sequence do we get? Square numbers we will get. Why? Because we can use these numbers to make a perfect square. Now let's move to the next part. How many little triangles in each shapes? But we have to find it out. How many triangles are there? Can you explain why? Definitely we can do that. 1 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and all together, so we can check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, again 17 18 19 20 25. So again we got the square numbers. Okay, and by using these square numbers we can make a perfect square as well and the perfect triangles as well. Okay, so these are the square numbers. Okay, so now let's move to the last part of this particular chapter. I've explained each and everything in the easiest manner possible, so please go and check it out, all the parts. Okay, if you haven't watched the previous parts, you guys go and check it out and watch it. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done that yet. To get one or more shape into the next shape in the snowflakes sequence, replace each line segment by the speed bumps with very small line segments. Like this we will get the small lines. Okay, because over here you guys can check it out, the small lines are there. So now I have zoomed the figure, so now I can explain you each and everything in a easiest manner. Already I have explained you that over there 1 2 3 lines are there, but in this figure you can check it out. 1 2 3, all the 3 lines has been changed to 4 lines. Okay, this one is the 1 line, and 1 line has been changed to 1 2 3 4, means 1 line is equals to 4. How many lines are there? 1 2 3 lines are there, means 3 multiplied by 4, means the next figure contains 12 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now how many lines will the next figure will get? or have 12 multiplied by 4. 48 lines are there in the next figure. In this particular figure, 48 lines are there. Over here, 48 multiplied by 4, 4 8 32, 4 4 16, 17, 18, 19 means 192 lines are there in this particular figure. If we will talk about this one, 192 multiplied by 4. So next figure, what we will make, how many lines will be there? The around, we will multiply that this one means 192 multiplied by 4, 4 to the 8, 4 9 36, 4 to 4, 5 6 7, 768 multiplied by 4. This is 768, 768 multiplied by 4. This much lines are there in the next figure. Okay, so we will continue like this. By multiplying by 4, we will get the next figures. Okay, so you can easily say that one lines has been changed to 4 lines. Okay, and if you want to create the figures, we will count the previous lines. Okay, and multiply it by 4, so we will get the lines of the next particular figure. Okay, I hope so you guys understood each and everything. I've explained you each and everything in the easiest manner possible. So please go, guys, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please comment to me on my comment box. I'll definitely reply. Okay.